Do you want to live or invest in the fastest growing city in Canada? A place which is very close to major highways like Highway 401, 407, or which is very close to GO Station, well connected with other major cities which is Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, Kitchener, Waterloo, and a place where whenever you want you can go out for shopping within few minutes walking distance. You can just go out for shopping. The biggest outlet malls are there. I present you Connect in Milton City. Connect will have 3 high-rise buildings as well as townhouse collections. I'm going to show you the site. It is beautiful. You can see at the back it will be a ravine lot. You will have escarpment view, beautiful view. This is the place everyone wants to live in. It's not just so closely connected to nature, but I can show you to the other side. Right now I'm on Derry Road, so this is the major intersection of this project is Derry Road and Regional Road 25. So when you want to shop, just across the street we have gas station, a major plaza, you can eat. Tons of restaurants are here. On the both sides of this intersection you see plazas all over the place, so you can just walk in and get whatever you want in this area, which means you are close to nature. You will be living in modern luxury buildings, high-rise buildings, so you will have a beautiful escarpment view. And we will have, I can show you the project. In this particular project we will have very nice courtyard areas for kids. We will have nice living spaces for people to enjoy the nature, and it will be a nice community in itself. So it's a well planned master community project. Connect, modern living style in Milton. Make sure you book your unit in Platinum Access. You will not only save thousands and thousands of dollars, but you will also have a wide selection of units to pick from. So in order to book, give me a call at 647-532-3000, 647-532-3000.